Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install more suits mode for Little Company. And to do this, first you will need to install Thunderstore Mod Manager. The link for it should be in the description of this video. You can check our guide on how to do it. Then when it's installed, click on Get Mods right here and then look for more suits and sort it by download count. Here you'll find the mod by X753. Click on it and then download it. I recommend to do it with the newest version and then go back to your mods. Make sure that it's enabled. You'll also need BEP in XPack, this mod right here. You can also find it in Get Mods. And when both of them are installed, click on Modded right here and your game should launch with all of the mods. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.